ready to deploy your FastMCP server, but unsure how to transition from development to production scaling? We'll start with the standard ASGI conversion using HTTP app, then demonstrate how to deploy with Uvicorn, first in basic mode for testing, then with multiple workers for production load handling. You'll see exactly how the same FastMCP instance transforms into a scalable web service with just 2 simple command variations.
Hash run with basic configuration. Uvicorn app host 0000 port 8000. Hash ensure stateless HTTP mode is enabled. Stateless HTTP equals true. Hash run with multiple workers for production. Uvicorn app host 0000 port 8000 workers 4.
This demonstrates the standard ASGI deployment pattern for FastMCP servers using Uvicorn as the production server. The approach follows conventional Python web deployment practices, where a FastMCP instance is converted to an ASGI-compatible application via the HTTP app method, then served using Uvicorn's standard command line interface. The pattern maintains compatibility with common hosting platforms while preserving FastMCP's tool-based functionality. The deployment works by first creating a FastMCP server instance with registered tools, then converting it to an ASGI application that Uvicorn can serve. The basic configuration uses a single worker process for development, while the production variant with multiple workers enables concurrent request handling. Uvicorn's standard parameters like host 0000 and port 8000 control network binding, while the workers flag implements process-based parallelism, all standard ASGI server capabilities that work seamlessly with FastMCP's HTTP transport. This approach matters because it leverages existing ASGI infrastructure rather than reinventing deployment mechanisms. By following standard Python web deployment patterns, FastMCP servers can run on any platform supporting ASGI applications, from local development to cloud hosting. The pattern assumes only that you've properly structured your FastMCP instance and converted it to an ASGI app, making it accessible to both traditional web clients and specialized MCP clients through the same HTTP interface. Let's break it down line by line.
Hash run with basic configuration. Uvicorn app host 0000 port 8000.
This launches your FastMCP application as an ASGI service using Uvicorn, binding to all network interfaces on port 8000. The app syntax references your FastMCP instance after converting it to an ASGI application with HTTP app, which is the standard deployment pattern shown in the FastMCP documentation. This is the minimal production-ready configuration for serving FastMCP over HTTP.
Hash ensure stateless HTTP mode is enabled. Stateless HTTP equals true. Hash run with multiple workers for production. Uvicorn app host 0000 port 8000 workers 4.
Production ASGI deployment for FastMCP using Uvicorn. The workers 4 flag enables concurrent request handling, while host 0000 makes the server externally accessible, standard Uvicorn configuration that applies to any ASGI framework. First, convert your FastMCP instance to ASGI format using HTTP app, then pass it to Uvicorn as shown. FastMCP ASGI deployment. The Uvicorn commands demonstrate standard ASGI deployment for FastMCP servers after converting them to ASGI applications using the HTTP app method shown in the official documentation. The basic configuration launches a single worker server on port 8000, while production deployments typically use multiple workers for parallel request handling and bind to all network interfaces via 0000. FastMCP automatically handles environment isolation when dependencies are specified in the configuration.
The server that answers every request begins by becoming just another application.